Welcome to the Todd and Don Show, where we're number one in calling out their number two.
That's right.
We're live, and we want you to join us at 512-836-0590. Now, here are Todd and Don.
That's right. We got the Rush update coming up in just 3 minutes. You don't want to miss that at all. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. 512-836-0590. Jump in the conversation. Lot to get to this morning, but I know we have a lot of folks that work in pickup trucks on job sites listening this time of morning because, well, you're the kind of folks that get up early and, hit the bricks and start working. Now several construction companies have banded together to fight a real problem. It's a growing problem of construction site theft. We've talked about these stories for years. People in the dark of night going onto a construction site, stealing wood, stealing sheetrock, stealing equipment in some cases. Well, now several construction companies have gotten together to fight a rash of thieves, as we hear from KITV.
We have come to Austin Police Headquarters today to demand action, to treat this like the organized crime wave it is.
Construction companies in Austin are tired of waiting for answers as to who may be stealing from construction sites all over the city.
This is clearly organized. These guys loaded a truck faster than my seasoned forklift operators could. It was actually pretty impressive.
Patrick Giorgio is referring to these men captured on a Ring video February 22nd at one of Motivato Group's construction sites.
I don't recognize any of the faces, so not involved with our company, but they've definitely had some experience.
Austin police tell CBS Austin at least 4 burglary cases at construction sites are related because the same vehicle was used. But construction groups claim these thieves may have used more than one vehicle and targeted even more sites.
There you go. That story there from KI News. Sure does look like some sort of, I want to say, inside job. I don't want to say that, meaning it's current construction employees, but these dudes that we've seen on video, they've got some construction site experience at the very least.
High degree of skill.
I mean, they were able to walk onto that lot and jump into a forklift and maneuver it like a seasoned veteran.
Yeah, and I think it took them less than 20 minutes at that Motivato site last month.
Yeah, and the thing is, it's the kind of story that the average folk just don't hear, don't see about because there's really no victim, if you will. However, there is. Every homeowner is a victim in this case because when construction companies are hit with a big whammy like this, well, the cost does trickle down.
Absolutely. And Dolcefino says, about $1 million in materials just lifted off these sites over 3 years.
It was
2 years.
A lot of material. I mean, there's big pallets of lumber and sheetrock, all kinds of things. But when more than 3 dozen different hits over the past couple of years alone, they're absolutely right. It sounds like some kind of organized crime ring.
Mm-hmm. So I understand the frustration there. Austin Police, of course, they say they are looking into this. They're following up on leads, working with various agencies.
Yeah.
But it's just because they've got the video there, it's still not that easy to catch them.
I wonder how big of a problem it is. I mean, this was big construction sites, like apartment complexes, big commercial sites. I bet there's rampant theft just at the small subdivision where they're building 2 or 3 homes. I bet there's rampant theft. Simple as a neighbor walking down the street stealing a 2x4. To as criminal as somebody coming in and stealing appliances.
Absolutely.
When a project's halfway complete, some of those doors are wide open. I bet it's a rash of a problem here in this area.
Yeah,
and you wouldn't want to report all of it. Because if you report this kind of crime in a new subdivision, well, all of a sudden, then it's a high crime area if you start filing a bunch of reports.
That's a really good point.
And who wants to buy a home in something where they've had a lot of theft over the past 6 months?
But I do imagine it to be a big. I mean, it seems like it would be easy items for the taking right there if it's just completed job site.
It's a real problem. It needs to be addressed, and I'm sure APD is on it. Stay with us. You can join us at 512-836-0590. We'll take a look at some business news straight ahead. We got traffic and weather coming up, but right now, it's time for the Rush Update.
Folks, get this. You won't believe this, but it did happen.